Shiva's symbols. The Trishul that he's holding in his hand represents the three gunas. Lord Shiva rules the world by these three gunas, which are symbolized by the Trishul he holds in his right hand. Then his Damru X-shaped hand-held drum represents Shabda Brahman, represents Om, from which all languages are performed. Shiva formed the Sanskrit language from the sound of his Damru drum. The crescent moon that Lord Shiva carries on his head and his hair indicates that Shiva has performed, or Shiva has perfectly controlled his mind. We worship Shiva and Krishna in the Chandravams dynasty coming from the moon planet. Wherever it flows, it represents the nectar. The tiger skin that Shiva sits on indicates that he's conquered the tiger of lust. The snakes around his neck are representations of Ishtadev Sankarshan. Devotees denote the snakes, and the snakes denote wisdom and eternity.